Hello, welcome back. If your bank is running a T24 upgrade, moving from R19 to R21, or migrating from TAFC to TAFJ for Transact Cloud, you already know the problem. Thousands of routines. Everyone needs to be reviewed, updated, and in some cases, completely rewritten for a new environment. That's months of work. The migration assistant cuts it significantly. So, in demonstrating this on the T24 routine builder, we click on migrate. On the migrate session, it opens. On the left, we see the source and the release. And on the right, we see the target environment and the release. The combination you pick determines exactly what transformation gets applied. So for instance, a version upgrade. So we want to upgrade from R19 to R21 jBC routine. So all we need to do is ensure that the environment is TAFC, jBC, the release is R19. Then the target environment is the same TAFC, jBC, and the release is R21. All I need to do is paste my code here. Now, because it's the same language, jBC to jBC, we just have to click the migrate routine button. Then we see the change log where every single modification is listed and explained. So let's just give it some time for it to give us a change log. Yes, so every single modification is listed and explained. Framework updated to R21. So when we click on the migrate code, you can see that the code has been migrated. So even if you compare the two, you can see the difference. The R19 code that we posted when it was upgraded or it was migrated to R21, this is how the code has been restructured. So all you need to do is click on download, then you can download the file and compile. I don't want to download, so let me cancel. Now the next one is TAFC to TAFJ. So let me get my code where I need to migrate from TAFC to TAFJ. So this is my code. What I need to do is just clear. Now I select my environment TAFC R21. Okay. To my target environment will be a TAFJ Java. So also R21. So what I do is I paste my routine here. Then I click on migrate. click it again. Sometimes it's the network. Okay, so when we go to migrate code, we'll be able to see the Java code that's been rewritten for us. So it has transformed the jBC code that we pasted for R29 to be a Java code in the same release for TAFJ. So this one too, the developer can download it and deploy it. So this brings me to the end of this session. And next session we will look at the other templates, that is services and interfaces. So catch you on the next episode. Thank you and subscribe.